What's up, guys? We're doing a repo right now. Got Michael here with us.
How's it going?
Had this one scoped out earlier before we got here. It's right over here in this little cul-de-sac. It's sitting nose out, so it should be an easy grab. It's this gray Chevy Equinox sitting right here. Yeah. Where's my camera at? Oh man, they got crap all underneath it.
Rear's locked up.
Alright. Oh, they got it locked up. Let's go.
You have to try to fix it.
Yeah, no, I just wanted to grab it. That's exactly how it was last time I got this thing. They had jacks and all kinds of stuff underneath it, I'm assuming, to try to stop you from getting it.
Not today, Ricky Bobby. Oh, okay.
Right. No, you're good. See, they had stuff underneath it. Parking brake set, they knew it was up. We'll have to come out down the road here and fix it, grab it right, and strap it down and all that good stuff. Alright, we're gonna set this thing down here and get this thing centered up on my lift. on here so y'all can see what we're doing. Do what? Did he move all the straps around? There's no telling where they're actually at in this truck. Still ain't got no tow light in this thing. This one.
He has it on the desk.
It's still on his desk? Where their hazard light is. Where the hazard light button is on this thing. This. Good. Alright. Alright.
Chevy that we towed
What Chevy?
from HEB one day.
Oh yeah. That's funny. Alright. We got this thing loaded up. We're gonna haul it to the yard. Can't see nothing.
You want to put it by the yellow truck? Yellow U-Haul?
Yeah, between that yellow U-Haul and the white Mustang there?
Yeah, you want to put it over there?
Alright. Put this somewhere where I can get to it easy. Gotta haul it to the lien holder in the morning. That'll be good enough. So I can put a call in for it. Yeah, no, it's hard to see in the rain. Open.
Is that Subaru?
What Subaru? Oh yeah. Talking about the one that got burned up?
Yeah.
No, the one that you talking about the one I towed the other day?
Yeah.
No, it's at Central. I don't remember what that was. All right, got this thing dropped off. Gotta go one more I'm looking for tonight, but I don't have GPS location on it. It got disabled on like the 19th. So go hunt for it and see if we can't find it.
Copy on that vehicle. It looks like it's a Honda.
Alright, we are over here in West Columbia. We are coming over here to these apartment complexes, which is the last known location of this repo. We're looking for a Versa note. I think it's red in color. The GPS last showed it to be right down here.
trim some trees.
Yeah, right. Should be like right along, like see that line of trucks down there?
Yeah.
It should be somewhere in there.
We're keeping them out in here though.
Yeah, no, there's no telling. It dropped GPS on like the 19th of September, but its last place it showed it was parked was along that fence line.
Sedan cars or these?
A Versa Note should be like a little small SUV thing.
Hatchback thing?
Yeah. Let's see. It's a Kia.
Oh, there it is. All right. Let me see.
Check the plate.
58.
So we have keys for it. So he's gonna try to drive it if we can. Oh, he's moving. He's moving. We're gonna try to drive it out of here and get it to a safe place. So they turned off our GPS, disabled it so we couldn't track it. But it made it to where it starts and we had a spare key for it, so. We got this one. Probably gonna come down here to the there's a parking lot right over here. We can park in here and load it up real quick.
The first gonna be a Lincoln, yeah, Laura 6337. We should be back to my front. There.
Perfect. Is it? Like it runs rough, or?
Yeah, like
something's broke? Heck yeah. We'll have to replace. You know, we forgot to grab that freaking tow light from the shop. Turn on the Bluetooth tow lights. That's good. Good enough.
I'll kill it?
Huh? Yeah, go ahead and kill that one. Go ahead and pull that one off there. Cool. All right, got this one loaded up. Let's do that a little bit more head to the yard, drop this one off. We're back here at the yard. Local sheriff's department's having a meeting. Since this one drives, I'm just gonna pull in the gate here and we'll just drive it over. There's no point in trying to back this thing around.
You gotta go in there and put this key in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes I hang on to them just because I'm gonna be the one that hauls these things.
Oh yeah.
And since I have 2 of them to haul, I'm gonna end up double towing anyways. So.
In the morning.
Hello. All right. Guardian Angel turned on. Oops, I gotta take the PTO.
Is that Donnie?
No, that was Zane.
Oh.
All right, you're free. What is that? That's up there.
Good?
Yeah.
Where you want it?
Just wherever. It don't really matter. I can.
I'm gonna back it in so it's easier for you.
All right, appreciate it. Whoop. Wrong one. All right, we got that one here. Go ahead and get this folded up. I'll be hauling that thing to the lien holder tomorrow. That one and that one. Call that it for tonight. Appreciate you guys for watching. If y'all would, please subscribe, like, and share. What's up, guys? See, we're here in Donnie's truck today. We're doing a repo. It's right up the street here. Getting my boom and everything ready. I scouted it earlier. I was hoping I could drag it with the flatbed, but where it's at, there's really not just a whole lot of room. So I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get it or not. So I switched to Donnie's truck. So that way I can grab it and go. It's parked nose in. It's a Mercury Mountaineer, so it's rear wheel drive. Parked nose in, so it'll be an easy grab. We just have to go get the right truck. It's that silver one right there. The trash cans or whatever they got out here. Alright, we got it hooked. The wheels are turned on it. So we're gonna have to push that trash can out the way there. It's gonna crab walk behind us a little bit here. To watch our corners. Yes, I know this is the vehicle I'm supposed to be picking up. We have GPS on it, and I checked the license plate and stuff on it when I came by earlier. I am going to make my way down the street here with it, see if I can't straighten up that wheel and get it strapped and everything. Looks like it's staying locked like that, so it's probably locked in that position. I'm gonna have to make my way around here. I need to be on the other side of the highway. So I'm gonna pull up over here real quick. There's like a little striped median right here, like a wide spot in the road where I can not block a lane. Get out and strap this thing real quick. Didn't get it perfectly center there, but we got it, and that's all that matters. We're not going very far with it. I got Donnie's tow light here. Like this thing's been sitting for a while. Got a bunch of tree limbs and stuff on top of it. Going off the GPS history, it hasn't moved in quite a while, so. Steering wheel's locked, so it's not going anywhere. I'm just gonna have to ease over there with it. Just how it is. Get my other camera turned off here. Alright. We got her loaded up. We're gonna haul her over to the lien holder. They're just here right down the road. Appreciate you guys for watching. If y'all would, please subscribe, like, and share.